it got me going, as you could tell. But it obviously will pale in comparison to what you're about to bring us. Because
it was supposed to be a personal discussion.
Hey, man. Don't let the people down like this. All right?
I have nothing to show.
Yes, you do.
It was supposed to be a private conversation, and then we talked about it.
Yo.
Mo was included, too.
That's fine.
Yeah, and then we talked about dogs.
This is not what we're...
It changed to dogs.
When you say to me, hey, have you seen this yet? That is your moment. That's the thing you decided to bring that day.
But it was a personal thing.
What does that mean? That means it's too good for the people?
No.
Okay, exactly. That's my point. It's not. It's perfect. It's exactly what the segment was designed for. It was for that moment we say, hey, Lou, have you seen this yet? All right. That is what the wild card round is all about.
Well,
is to give the people who watched that experience of what it would be like if Willy Doo said, hey man, you seen this yet?
But why do you leave though? I mean, that's not nice.
Well, no, that's actually just to give you more space.
Well, that's not good.
That's
never good.
That's to allow you to have all the headroom necessary so you can breathe, so that I'm not over here distracting. That's a courtesy thing.
Sure, bud.
So
sure.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it's a moment you've all been waiting for. I tried to put together a good show, but every time we get to this part, I realize that I can never do what Will does. That I can invest my time, my energy. I can scour the internet and still never find myself where Willy Doo finds himself.
Paistro is pretty good, though. We can end at Paistro.
No. I'm saying I try.
Yeah.
And I think sometimes, every so often it goes okay. A lot of times, complete disaster. When it comes to the wild card round, that never happens. The wild card round from Willy Doo pays off every single time you wait for it. It's a 10 out of 10. It's 100 out of 100. It's never missed. And it's because of you. And it's time to reward every single person who has made it to this point. It is time to give them the Willy Doo wildcard round.
Well, I can't even show the video, can I? All right. Okay, so this is what I was talking about with Lou. It's a channel called Dylan LeMay, and I just want to hear his take on it. He does videos. He works at, I think, a Cold Stone, and they're 20-minute or 20-second videos. And I don't know, it's just about his life in working at Cold Stone. And it's pretty interesting. It's on TikTok as well. That's how I found out. So check it out. See ya.